Using a graph in the thumbnail is a fairly popular design strategy nowadays that has gotten many videos up to a few millions of views. And so in this video I'll show you how you can easily make this graph for yourself, and I'll also cover how you can make a curved version of this graph. So first of all, open up Photoshop and create a new document. You can add a background to that document if you want to. Then grab the pen tool and make sure it's set to path. Then start making the ups and downs of the graph. You can find an example thumbnail to look at while you are doing this, in case that makes things easier. Make a few points around like this. Press this button right here and make a new gradient layer and set the colors for your graph. If you want the fill of this graph to be transparent, you'll have to duplicate this layer so that one layer is for the stroke and the other one is for the fill. For the new stroke layer, turn off fill and then add the stroke. We can reduce the opacity of the fill layer. You can also add some outer glow to the stroke to make it stand out more. And we're done with this one. And now let's make the more curved version of the graph. The process is fairly similar, but we have to create curved lines instead of straight lines. To do that, you have to take the pen tool again, then make the first point and then go where you want the next point to be, and just drag to make a curve. It can be a bit tricky to make it look realistic, but if you mess up you can just do Ctrl Z on your keyboard and keep trying. Then once you're done, you go around, you create a gradient fill, you duplicate the layer so that one layer is for stroke and the other one is for fill. You reduce the opacity of the fill layer, add stroke color and outer glow to the stroke layer, and we're done with this one as well. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel while I focus on making videos to improve your thumbnails. And I'll see you in the next video.